After many plannings, we started journey early morning to Ranthambore. On first day, we directly didn't go to the Ranthambore. First, we went to the Ujjain. As I am devotee of Mahadev Mahakal, I frequently visit Ujjain. On first day, around afternoon, we have reached to the Ujjain. Recently, outside Ujjain Mahadev Mandir, renovation is done. We stayed in hotel of Ujjain for a night after darshan. Next day morning, we again started our journey to Ranthambore on National Express Highway 4. Most was driving on National Highway 4 only, as there is a very less traffic and speed is allowed up to 120 km per hour. We have covered travel easily. We reached to Ranthambore by afternoon on second day. It is popular National Tiger Reserve, very famous for tiger sighting in safaris. After checking in the Baagh Ananta Elite Ranthambore, we spent rest of our day in resort only. We enjoyed for full day in resort. The resort was well maintained. It has 2-3 different types of rooms, cottages and huts. Garden was well maintained. Greenery was all around. They have planted plenty of trees and well maintained healthy trees. It is giving very good cold environment and cold breeze was going on in hot summer. I was enjoying walk even on afternoon time of summer time. In some area, watering and maintenance work was going on. The best and my most favorite part or area of the resort is swimming pool. It was very clean. In size also swimming pool is very big, so many or few families can easily enjoy together here in swimming. My son, most of his stay time in resort spended in this beautiful swimming pool. Because of dressing of injury, I was not able to enjoy swimming pool during this stay. But I was very happy for choosing this resort for my family. Stay was very good and I enjoyed scenery, food, everything was up to mark here. Have a look of this beautiful resort. These rooms are different from that cottages. These rooms looks like a hut. There is two types of hut. Single and double floor huts are also available. In double floor huts, there is a small swimming pool on ground floor like area. Garden area of these hut rooms is very beautiful. Each and every area they have utilized either for plantation or small plants or for big trees. After finishing the day or resting for a full day, next day in morning we have a tiger safari. In morning safari we have seen few wild animals. Unfortunately we are not able to see tiger, but we have able to see pug mark of a tiger. We also visited a fort and Ganesh temple. Don't visit Ganesh temple with small child. A few months back one child was abducted by tiger. Don't forget to visit this Shivji temple while visiting. It is in way of fort. Best part of this journey happened on afternoon of second day. During afternoon safari, we have spotted 2 tigers. One is this tigress. A guide told us name of this tigress is Riddhi. She last year even birth to 3. In past we have done almost 6-7 safaris. This is the first time we have seen a tiger, live tiger. Voice over can't describe the thrilling of really seeing the tiger live in jungle. Summer is best time to spot tiger because it stays around the water areas like lake. This is the zone 3 of Ranthambore Tiger Safari. where we have spotted two tigers. One is Riddhi and this another tiger. We are looking very young and healthy tiger. That is Ganesh. He is son of Riddhi. I am telling you according that guide has told me. That tiger also near the lake only and drinking water. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Bye.